Multiply your hourly rate times 30, because that's how much time and money my new UiPath Agentic Automation Quick Start course is going to save you. And that's to say nothing of the potentially millions of dollars you might save for your company when you incorporate these skills into your work projects. It's no secret that UiPath recently released a major platform upgrade with powerful new agentic features like Agent Builder and Maestro. What is still a secret though is how the heck to use it. If you're anything like me, you've spent years building traditional UiPath RPA skills with Studio, Assistant, and Orchestrator. And now suddenly, agentic automation is the new hot term. But what does that even mean? Will we have to relearn everything? Have you ever noticed how very few people are able to describe what an agent is in simple terms? My new UiPath Agentic Automation Quick Start course will solve all those doubts in one day. Oh, and if we haven't met, I'm Brian Lamb. I'm a 30-year tech veteran, VP of Intelligent Automation at a top US bank, and a 4-time UiPath MVP who has helped over 250,000 people master RPA with my world-renowned online courses. So like I was saying, my brand new UiPath Agentic Automation Quick Start course will help you understand all the new UiPath agentic features and teach you to build and deploy your very first UiPath agent in just one day. I'll provide crystal clear step-by-step instructions and insight on topics like setting up UiPath for agentic development, Agent Builder basics, how to publish and run an agent using Orchestrator, Studio Desktop, and Studio Web, and also how to use the amazing new Maestro Super Orchestrator to connect with agents and automations and share data between them. More importantly, I'll show you how these new agentic features like Agent Builder and Maestro will expand your existing RPA skills instead of replacing them. RPA is definitely not dead, and you'll see what I mean inside the course when I show you how agents mostly do thinking and planning, and they leverage traditional RPA automations to do their heavy lifting. So, if you already understand how to create traditional RPA projects using UiPath Studio, Orchestrator, and Queues, this new UiPath Agentic Quick Start course will show you how to level up fast to these ultra-hot new UiPath skills. If you're new to RPA development, or if you just want my ultimate UiPath RPA masterclass as a foundation for your new agentic skills, I've also bundled the Agentic Quick Start course with my entire top-selling UiPath course library that includes RPA Overview, RPA Tech Primer, RPA Developer 1 and 2, and UiPath Test Automation. If you're ready to lead agentic automation projects, impress interviewers, and stay ahead of the curve, click the link to grab one of the purchase options and I'll meet you inside.